cheesecake sa Starbucks. Kaso wala nang cheesecake. Cheesecake dito sa Starbucks. So, trito ng asawa ng sister. Kapanood ko ng Food Network kasi sasarap ng niluluto ng Food Network. Malalaman mo talaga kung masarap yung isang pagkain ko.
Maple honey hot sauce just makes the food taste that much better. Worth all the calories? Oh yeah, I'll work it up later. Appetizer in the window.
Malalaman mo masarap siya kasi
Slap pork chop's gonna punch it back you up real definitely.
And the catfish for you.
Oh my god.
pag yung asawa ko nandito, uubusin niya to. Hindi niya ako titirahan. So, buti na lang wala siya dito.
I mean, this is my Sunday football juice. Next step, what are we gonna get into? Black bean spice and then our black and spice butter. Pepper, paprika, onion powder, oregano, thyme, garlic powder, cayenne, and salt. Just the melted butter.
Lasang blueberry muffin.
Wow.
Warm it up a little bit. Put this into the softened butter. You weren't joking when you said black butter. We let it chill in the freezer and cube it up with the shrimp and grits. Big old chunk of that, deveined peeled shrimp. And then bacon. So the butter is not only what's going to cook.
Got that yummy yum, that yummy yum.
50% grits, 50%
Maalala mo pa rin naman yung pangalan mo.
bacon on there, the butter on there.
Here are the shrimp and grits.
So good. Super cheesy there. Very buttery. A lot of my friends try to find Tristan, so you gotta have to be
Yan ang may sala. Kaya puro pagkain na nasa isip ko.
Really good. I've seen
Yung may sala.
I don't know what's better, the story or the southern staples that you cook. You're an inspiration to a lot
Favorite
of
ko
people
si
because you did not have it easy. And look what you've done for yourself. Hey, man,
Bobby
funny
Flay.
story, dude. Appreciate it, brother. Thank you.
ito.
So that's it for this road trip. But don't worry, we got
Sino ba?
plenty of-
Nakalimutan ko na pangalan nito. Kilala ko na
I'll
si...
be looking for you next time on Diners, Drive-Ins, and Dives. Joe,
Mm.
I'm gonna give you an award right now.
Nakikita ko sa...
Out of control, triple D person I've ever met.
Nakikita ko sa video. Merong restaurant si Gordon Ramsay dyan sa Pilipinas. So, based sa nakita ko, sobrang mahal niya. Ilang putahe lang yun, 10,000 na kaagad. Grabe naman. Grabe naman si Gordon Ramsay. Alam niyo namang nasa Pilipinas siya ang mahal ng pagkain. Dapat konting baba kasi third world country lang tayo. Pero bakit sobrang mahal? Anyways, ang dami namang nakaka-afford. Tapos, based sa mga kumakain, masarap naman daw. Pero feeling ko, hindi worth it sa nakikita ko. Pero, fully booked siya lagi. Grabe. Pati pa ba naman si Gordon Ramsay dyan sa Pilipinas kumikita? So, saan ka magbi-business? Di sa Pilipinas?
Yes!
Got that yummy yum, that
Sarap.
So I stayed on triple D all the time. What is that? You gotta slow
got that yummy yum, that
down.
Slowly kain lang kasi baka tubas na naman yung sugar ko. Wala na nga yun eh.
Little mini strip mall, and it's got a deli. Now, this is not the kind of
Walang
deli-
gamot-gamot tapos nawala. Kasi nga,
No, this is where you're gonna get
makain ako ng tama. Tapos ngayon, na-addict ko sa blueberry. Tama ba yan?
got that yummy yum.
Kung saan man kayong lupalop ng mundo, ingat kayo lagi at huwag kalimutan na mag-ipon para sa sarili. Pero pag may sobra, huwag din kalimutang mag-share. Kasi nandyan lang si God. Nakikita niya kung marunong ka mag-share. Okay? Okay, thank you. Bye!
What they have.